Hi developers, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be looking at the with method of array in JavaScript. The with method returns an array with the element at the given index replaced by the given value. Let's look at an example where I have an array of cities and I want to replace one of the cities in the array, and I know the index of the city I want to replace. So in this case, I can use the with method where I can pass the index and the value I want to replace that element with. So here I can create a new variable called new cities and use the with method on the cities array by passing the index of the element I want to replace. In this case, we can replace Madrid. That would be index of 2, and I will pass the value I want to replace it with. Let's do Tokyo. The with method will make a copy of the original array with the replacement of the given value at the given index. So if I do new cities, we'll see that we have a new array where Madrid has been replaced with Tokyo. All right, so let's use this React application as an example of how we can use the with method in JavaScript in a real use case. Here we have a list of emojis at the top, and we're allowing the user to select any of those emojis at the top. We are saving that selection in memory. We're saving it as a state. And then when they click at the list of emojis at the bottom, we are replacing the element that they click with the emoji they selected at the top. All right, so to accomplish that, we'll be going to the code. As you can see in this block of code here, we are using the result array. We're mapping through the result array to then show anything that's in the replace section here. We're pre-populating that using useState, and we're adding all the empty emojis as a default value. And then we have the onClick function here. We're calling it handle replace click, and we're passing the index where the user is clicking to replace the emoji. So if we go to the top, we'll see that we have an empty function here. And what we want to do is we want to create a new array. So we'll call it new result. And we want to copy the current result, but we want to apply the with method where we'll be not copy within. We'll be passing the with method. We'll be passing the index that we are already passing to the function. We'll have to add it as a parameter at the top, and we want to replace that index with the selected emoji. As you can see, we already have a selected emoji state here that gets populated whenever the user selects the emoji they want to replace the one at the bottom with. So if we take that selected emoji and pass it to our with method, save that, and also we'll be clearing the selected emoji, adding the index as a parameter. Selected emoji then would be cleared, and that's where we want to set the new result. Our new result would be the new array, which we call new result, and we'll move this set selected emoji here inside the function. Right, so now we have a handle replace click where we're creating a new array and setting that as a new result and clearing the selected emoji. So if we go to the application and select rocket here, and we want to replace it with the first element, we'll see that gets replaced. Same thing if we go to the developer here and select this element over here, that also gets replaced, and we can keep going using the with method. Pretty straightforward. We just can click and invoke that with method in JavaScript. And that's all I have for the with method in JavaScript. We saw a small example in the console, and we also saw how we can use it in a possible UI front-end scenario in your React application. I hope you learned something new and you can use a with method in your next JavaScript or React project. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.